Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a MediaFire download link step by step. After this tutorial, you will be able to upload any of the files and you will be able to share it with others using a simple download link that works on phone and your computer. So first of all, you need to come here on MediaFire.com. Once you are here, click on the option of sign up on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you just have to provide your sign up credentials. You need to simply just provide your email address and create a strong password for your MediaFire account. And this way you will be able to log in into your account. If you already have an account here, you can click on the option of login and then you can provide your email address and password. You can also continue with the help of your Facebook account and your Twitter account if you have used these in order to create your account here on MediaFire. So when you log in your account, on the home page itself, you will see this type of upload files now button. So when you click on this particular button, it is going to open the gallery in front of you. So here you just have to simply upload your files. Before uploading the files, you can also create a folder if you want. For example, let's say I click on the option of create a folder and then I give this folder a name as audio. So here in this particular folder, simply double click on it. After that, click on the option of upload on the top. Over here, click on the option of this plus icon. Then from your gallery, choose that particular file which you want to basically use in order to create a download link. So as you can see, I've uploaded an audio file here. So click on the option of upload. It is going to take some time and the file will be uploaded. So once it is completed successfully, you will automatically see the share option and the copy link option. So we want the copy link option. So simply click on the option of copy link and you have successfully copied the link. And now you can basically share this particular link with your friends or family members or with whomever you want to basically share it to. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.